Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing of the title from the Thunder Mountain page kit number 1010. If you would like to pick up this kit, please check the description below this video for a link to my shop where you will find this kit as well as many other fun projects. If you happen to not, if the link says the kit is sold out for any reason, please feel free to message me and I can give you an update as to when it might be in stock. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Art Glitter brand Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive with the fine metal tip. And I like to start with the base. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the smaller word first. So I'm just going to glue it right down to that. I like to lay it out and just get a visual of where it's going to go before I add my glue. Okay, so there's a nice 1/8 inch border all the way around. So I'm just going to center it on there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do these letters. And again, just center it. Okay, with the eye, I just want to place it and make sure it's going the correct direction. In this case, it might be symmetrical. I don't really see much of a difference. So let's go ahead and place the glue on there. Okay, so that word is complete. Not too bad. This is going to be a excellent beginner's kit for paper piecing. So if you haven't done paper piecing before and you just like a nice easy kit to work on, the Thunder Mountain kit is a good one because there's not too many layers involved with these. And you will find all of the paper piecing videos for this page kit will be on my channel. My goal right now is to post a new video every day, so I'm working on doing that. So if you don't see all the videos up yet, they are coming because I have recorded them all. I'm just trying to get around all the little holes. And this is a fast drying glue, and there's a lot of glue going on here, so it looks like some of it's already trying to dry in the beginning there. So I gotta work quickly. I'm just gonna go like this because it's not gonna do much good if the glue dries out before I can get it on there. And this, since this is going on a 12 by 12 page, it's gonna be in my scrapbook album with a page protector covering it. So I mean, you don't need glue in every single nook and cranny, just enough to hold it into place. And again, you have an 1/8 of an inch of border around the edge here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so now let's do the letters. Again, I'm going to see if the H makes a difference. I really don't see. Maybe this comes up a little bit higher on the bottom one, so just check that. And with the N, you'll see one side is the wider than the other side, so the wider one goes on the top. And this particular cardstock is textured, so if in your kit you receive textured cardstock, chances are that is the top. So you don't have to worry about if it's right side or upside down. Okay, let's go ahead and glue these down. Oh, sorry, I think I was off camera there. I apologize for that. And this has a nice border. This is a little bit smaller. It's not quite an 1/8 of an inch. A little bit smaller of a border, but just make sure it's even. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so let's go ahead and do smaller words. I'm going to do the 2 larger letters first. Okay, now with the O, I don't know if it makes much difference which way it goes. I really don't see any difference. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to stick it down. I don't think it matters. Other than, even that. Just texture it side up. And if you want, you can even lay them out to see how the spacing is going to go. Okay, so I'm going to do the last letter. If you've done a lot of paper piecing before, I'd love to hear what type of glue and techniques that you use. What are your favorite things to use when paper piecing? Leave a comment below. It's always nice to hear different ideas to try, different techniques. I'm just using my pin here to scrape away that excess glue. Did I get them all? I think I got all the letters. Okay, so I'm going to go on to this one here. I'll give a quick up-close view. Okay. This would be a good video for some background music. Not too much to say, just a lot of gluing. So yes, so I'm new to this whole video thing, so I'm still learning, but eventually I'll learn how to edit and all that. If anyone has any tips, I would love to hear it on if you know how to do edit videos and all that, or even the best maybe equipment to get, camera equipment. Okay, let's see. I'm going to stick the R down and then center the L. I would love to hear your comments on the video, like the sound. Am I talking too low? Can you barely hear me, or is it okay? If I need to talk louder while I'm doing these. Yeah, so let me know. Like I said, I'm new to all of this videoing and YouTube, so I would love to hear your comments or suggestions. Just please keep them kind. So let's see. Okay, now the O. A and the D. I'm going to do the D first and then center the A. Almost done. The best part. The last piece. I don't know about you, but I love doing puzzles. And I think of these paper piecings as puzzles, having to put together, especially when I'm doing the characters, trying to figure out how all the pieces fit. Okay. Oh, that came out great. I like that. All right. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching. Again, if you'd like to pick up this kit, check the description below and there will be a link to my shop. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.